Hello guys, yeah, welcome back to my channel. In today's class I'll teach you guys how to make a perfect basic sleeve pattern. Yeah. If you look at this diagram, I just make use of that just for you to get clear picture of what I want to explain. So if you want to cut a basic sleeve, these are the measurements you need: your armhole measurement, bicep measurement, the sleeve length, and the round sleeve. Let me explain more on this picture. Look at this place. This is the armhole circumference. You are going to take your measurement on that part. Then this part is the bicep. You take your bicep measurement. Then from here you determine the length of the sleeve depending on how long you want it. So this is gonna be a 3/4 sleeve. Then on that sleeve length, you are going to take your round sleeve measurement on that part. So to fold the fabric you want to use for the sleeve, you are going to use your bicep measurement plus the allowance to determine what you are going to fold on the paper or on the fabric, because I think the bicep is the biggest part of the sleeve of the hand. So you are going to use that part, the bicep measurement, to determine what you are going to fold when cutting a sleeve. So now this is my bicep measurement divided by 2 plus 1 inch sewing allowance. You can make your allowance 1.5 depending on how you want it. So now I've already cut it out because this is going to be enough for the sleeve cutting. So on this down part now, I'm going to take 5 inches constant, 5 inches on this down part. So from here now I'm going to curve. You're going to curve your armhole to that point. That is the first thing to do. So now you're going to take your armhole circumference measurement divided by 2 on that part. So I'm having 19 inches divided by 2, which is 9.5. You are going to mark. Then on this part, you are going to take your bicep measurement. I've already taken the armhole circumference measurement now, 19 divided by 2. So now on this part, I'm going to take the bicep measurement, which is 14 divided by 2, 7 inches. So now the sleeve length, I'm taking the sleeve length measurement, which is 18 inches. Then plus 1 inch, the folding allowance. So on this part now, I'm going to take the round sleeve measurement, which is 10 inches divided by 2, making 5. Then you connect them together. Plus the little inch you are going to add for the sewing. In case you want the sleeve to be long sleeve, all you need to do is just add to the length. You're still going to follow the same procedure. So this is what you're going to have. If you want it to have flay at the extreme edge here, you just take the measurement of that part, then you add your flay. So on this mid part now, I'm going to mark out half inch on this center part. Then you connect this way. The major reason why they cut out sleeve this way, you're going to cut the upper one. You're not going to cut the two together, just the upper one. So this is going to be the left sleeve. The purpose of that one is to avoid unnecessary puff at the armpit side after fixing. So mind you, when you cut out your armhole, also you are going to trim out little on the front part. That is what you are going to fix on this one. I believe you guys understand this. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please don't forget to do so for more videos to come. See you guys.